Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with the Bit Blonde. I hope you guys are doing incredible out there. Let me just double check if we are live everywhere. I think we are. Yes. Let me know in a comment what would you like to see on the channel, what we can help you. If I can have a look in any specific altcoin, as always, I'll be happy to have a look together. Before we get into any content, I would like to do our quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and none of this content is a financial advice. So you must do your own market research as always. And today we're talking about the US moves 2 billion in size BTC. We are going to have a look on an article very soon and why this is happening. However, let's go straight away to the Bitcoin price because I am still on my long position and I want to share it with you. Let me know if you can hear me, if everything is working fine, and let me know how are you guys today because I like to talk to you. Don't forget to visit Voice of Crypto Telegram announcement if you want to know everything that happens in Web3 on time. Okay, visit Voice of Crypto website as well. I will show you shortly the event Voice of Crypto is hosting soon. Okay, so stick with me. But talking about the Bitcoin price, I am longing BTC since 63,848, only with 20% stop loss at this trade. Basically, token on the trading side, I will not close this trade personally. Okay, we have a couple of different comments and analyses to do, but the 200 EMA is a very accurate line and it's showing to the upside a little bit. So we might see another correction on the 4-hourly time frame, but as long as we just hold the 200 EMA and go back up, I believe we are on game still. And it's fun and nice to analyze that we're just retesting resistance once more and we got rejected around here. So I think we're just deeping one more time to continue to go up. Okay. But it is a probability. So you always want to trade carefully and manage your risk. So if I get stopped, it's fine. I'll just open a new position. But you must be very careful. And on a long-term side token, Bitcoin is the greatest asset, of course, as always. Moving into Ethereum, it's one of the greatest too. And we have this entire conspiracy around the Ethereum ETF, blah, blah, blah. But regardless, I've been longing, not from the very, very deep, I would say, but from 3,000. 179.81 to be very accurate. So I'm not closing my ETH still. 20% stop loss. Normally I do 15 to 25. It really depends, but it is good to have 15% stop loss, let's say. So I believe Ethereum could hit 4,000 USDT very soon, but again is a probability and we all hoping to the best. Okay, if we do get stopped, as I always said, it's fine, I'll just open a new position. But apparently the 200 EMA, it is very, very flat on Ethereum, and it seems like we are starting to build this upside momentum. And if you zoom out on the 4-hourly time frame, we are not even close to the all-time high here on the previous resistance. Okay, so that is somewhere around 4K. So hoping to see Ethereum skyrocketing very, very soon. And before moving into CoinMarketCap, let's move together to Voice of Crypto website because I want to give you this quick insight. Voice of Crypto is hosting the Awards Degen Summit in Singapore, 16th of September. And if you are in Web3, you know it's very, very important to join these events. So if you are interested, just press here from our own website and we'll direct you to the event page. With that said, let's move to Coin Market Cap, and let me know, guys, how is your trading going? How is your financial life going? Jokes aside, today's crypto prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.4 trillion, a 3.27 decrease over the last day. So we saw a little decrease from that rejection, but fear and greedy index is at 61. So people are quite greedy, let's say, sort of leaving the neutral to the greedy side. But I remain bullish still. We had this entire event from Bitcoin, and we saw Donald Trump. He was very, very bullish on that. Apart from the political side, I believe everybody is trying to accept and just get into Bitcoin because they cannot get rid of crypto, and they just realize that. But yeah, regardless, on the political side, I believe that is going to help crypto a lot. If it's someone very, very influential on the space, such as Donald Trump or Elon Musk giving a nice speech about crypto, is just going to move the market, as it is how it works basically. But moving in straight away into the latest article, Bitcoin trader eyes 60K next as bears force fresh BTC price rejection. Bitcoin keeps the rejection coming at the key resistance, with BTC price targets now including 60,000. That was published today. Bitcoin BTC stayed lower into the July 30 Asia trading section after a swift rejection at the resistance sparkled a 4,000 BTC price drop. And here we've got the Bitcoin USD 1 hour chart screenshot sourced by TradingView. The BTC price fails to clinch the key support. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD trading around 66,500, circling the daily open. The day prior had seen volatility throughout, with Bitcoin initially pushing to 70,000 but failing to hold it. An all too familiar sequence of events, instead falling by nearly 6% in a matter of hours. As Cointelegraph reported, the move accompanied 2 billion of BTC leaving a wallet associated with the United States government. The transaction contrasted with pledges to use funds to build a Bitcoin strategic reserve or stockpile made by presidential candidates at the weekend. William Clement, co-founder of crypto research firm Reflexivity, described the timing as not a coincidence. Little more short-term flush and summer ranging, then probably up only, he predicted about where BTC price action would head next. Reacting, Keith Allen, the co-founder of trading resource Material Indicator, hoped that bulls could stage at the recovery to protect a rising trend line on a daily time frames. In subsequent commentary on X, he argued that higher levels than those seen this week, specifically 72K and above, depending on the bulls first flipping their old 2021 all-time high of 69K to firm support. That's the HH that bulls need to take out before BTC is positioned to go after the all-time high. And I do think it will come eventually, but I maintain that we aren't going to see a sustainable move to a new all-time high until validates and slash as flip at 69K, he wrote. And here we've got the screenshot from Keith Allen X post saying, the concerns I share in Friday's beat break analysis were realized today. After a week to 70K, Bitcoin got smacked with another hard rejection from 69K. Can BTC bulls at least hold the trend line? And he left the question on air, sourced by Keith Allen. Exposed. Popular trader Romain, meanwhile, focused on the near-term BTC price target, which extended down to 60K. Should the market fall to such levels, he forecast sentiment would force a short squeeze, which would allow BTC USD to return to the upper part of its longer term trading range. Earning price target of 64 and 60K, respectively, showing bear dives with a possible DT reversal setup, he confirmed and mentioned. My bet is sentiment gets a ultra bearish at these levels, then we full send up once again. And we've got this screenshot from BTC USDT chart sourced by Mark Cullen. After tapping 70K yesterday, Bitcoin sold off back into the range I was looking at yesterday. Fellow trader Mark Cullen continued on his X analysis. The question now is, will the trend line and golden zone retrace, hold, and create a HR, or will BTC bounce from a lower high and roll over to the range low he was looking to get run? That was the question left from him. Bitcoin traders up exchange withdrawal size in some of the latest analysis on chain. Analyst CryptoQuant noted that it called increasing withdrawals from exchange. Contributing analyst Crypto on Chain noted that the mean amount of Bitcoin per exchange withdrawal transaction was on the rise. So a lot of people withdrawing. This is despite the fact that Bitcoin has entered a fluctuation area since February. They wrote in accompanying commentary. The increase in Bitcoin outflow can be a positive sign regarding the possibility of a price increase and break up of the fluctuation area in the future. And here we've got the Bitcoin screenshot. Bitcoin exchange outflow transaction amount 7-day moving average sourced by CryptoQuant. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendation. Every investment and trading moves involve risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I agree. So apparently we could dip to 60K. Let's have a look once more on the price action. Oh, so if we go back to 60K, I would definitely be out of this position and open a new one potentially. But however, if we don't, I'll be fine still. Anyways, on a long-term talking, we have to be very careful right now, guys, because once we see massive politics and these kind of people in our market, they will just play a lot and manipulate a lot, as I always say. So we got to analyze things from multiple perspectives and make right decisions. Okay, having very, very strong players, it is very good on the adoption, but on the manipulation side, they will try everything to just manipulate and make whatever they want with the market. They got money to do it, and that happens a lot. Okay, so with that said, let's keep watching the market and see what is going to happen. As I always say, you need to have your stop loss in place and on a long term it's just obvious to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. And even the United States government realized that. In fact, we've been in crypto for longer than them, I believe and hope so. Today, cryptocurrency gainers and losers, according to CoinMarketCap, altcoins are apparently starting to move. The top crypto gainers and losers today. Today, the top one is Book of Meme. I am not familiar, but I believe he's a meme coin, of course. Has been up 5.75% on the 24-hour time frame. Second place, we have a Mode coin, is up 4.24%. We have XRP on third place, 4% up. Marker, Mantra, Aave, Bitcoin SV, Stellar, Bigger Token, Follow, EOS, and Casper. So those are the top gainers today, and they are apparently picking up to start pumping. But we have to analyze very, very deep, you know, how it works with altcoins and tokens. Top losers today, we have Popcat in the first place, is down 9.70%. We have Stack STX. We have Dog with a Hat in a third place, surprisingly, is down 7.49%. Jupiter 7.27%, Starnet 6.90%, and IMX that is down 6.39%, Render 6.18%, Bonk 6.06%. So we have something from 9 to 6% drop on the losing side. Moving to CryptoBubbles.net. Let's have a look on the weekly and see how things are. So I would say half, not that bearish, not that bullish. It's just balance on the token side, but more bearish, I would say. So you have more buying opportunities than selling today, probably. MOB is quite, high today. MOB, mobile coin, is up 45.4% on a weekly. LAT, Platon, is up 60.9% on the weekly. SGMX, 42.6%. That is a significant move, I would say. Nothing crazy like 100 that we love to see in crypto, but to have 40% pump, it's something very, very good. Quark Chain, it's up 28% on the weekly. Okay, so on a buying side, I would say Pirate Nation is down 30.6%. But now I am not, encouraging you to just invest in things that you're not familiar with. Remember to always do your own market research, and as long as you buy low and sell high, you'll be fine. But make sure to know the projects that you're stepping into, okay, if you're not trading. Because on a trading side, you just need to analyze the graph. But on a holding side, you know how it is. You need to know the tech, because then, or the utility, or if you're just holding to make money and have fun, but you need to know at least the community who's behind it. This kind of very simple stuff to just prevent yourself, okay? MetFi is down 19.2% on a weekly. What else? It's a lot of opportunities today on the downside. Mavia, Heroes of Mavia, I believe that is a game, and is down 23.9%. So it might be interesting to have a look and start accumulating to the next pumps, because even if Bitcoin goes to 60K, guys, we're going to come back. Really, we are on a bull run, and that's what I say always. You have to be patient. And sometimes, it can take 5 days to have a nice trade, but you need to be patient, okay? And if you are trading tokens and meme coins, be careful, okay? Invest wisely and what you can afford to lose. Thank you for staying up today. I don't see any comments, but it was very nice talking to you guys. Don't forget to join Voice of Crypto Telegram and Voice of Crypto website if you want to know everything about crypto. Till next time, see you soon.